Piiyuuk nga.
Qakvalia.
So this is a Yupik words challenge video. It was inspired by a video done by Cosmopolitan.
Which has Bretman Rock in it. Mengluni.
Enjoy!
Jawyak,
A drum,
yakulak,
a food, a bird,
manak,
fish,
agyak,
I don't know, a star,
Tugan manikhu,
fill up a pot and put it on the stove.
aluyak,
Does it start with S? C. Sun.
swing,
Oh.
patakak,
Is it a food? Clam? Fish? Seal? Cereal? Pancake? Syrup? No. Syrup.
naskhun,
A headdress.
jakulngat,
Is a type of food. Animal? Bee? Dragonfly? A butterfly.
nvechjak.
Like use it in a sentence.
Ang lit magutang yung nvechjak us vitrit.
Like little kids? Boys? Babies? Teenagers? Teenage girls? Why use that sentence? We're not that bad.
Iskhan,
Like, is this
it's a grass bag. These are
Ishan is a grass bag.
imaginin.
Your water. You're giving birth. Your water broke. Water boots. Something that has to do with water. Those things that the guys use when they go fishing. Alright, okay.
See, you knew that one. I could jump on my
Next word.
Kulimtlak,
Old people. Big ears, double chin, hairy ears. Something on the face. When they get wrinkles.
my face.
How did I know?
Lagyak,
Like a storage place. It's where they put all the fish in the freezers and stuff.
latuhak,
The porch.
murak,
Wood. See, that wasn't so hard.
yunga,
You dog checkers.
mataskak,
A tool. What they use when they go hunting. Is it clothing? You know when Appa used to wear like pants that he didn't fit or something? Like go right here and then it'll whatever wrap around and then go like that kind? Suspenders. Madaskak is suspenders.
manikhu,
Like put on the stove.
jukhalik,
Oh, bread, cracker, sailor boy, the one that everyone gets in every house.
daryakfak,
Salt. That sounds like the food. Is it like a fish? There's like so many fish in the sea. Salmon, pink, the silver salmon, king salmon.
okay, notestock,
Everyday flowers are like flower.
jaziguk,
Jaziguk. How would you use it in a sentence?
namawatini jazigutang,
Like a trash can, a fence,
gnukutak,
something to cook, a light, a match, a flashlight,
alikilak,
arm, in your hands, your hand, your wrist, your fingers, one of your fingers, this one. Did I really guess that right? That was so cool. Okay.
Cingyukan. Thanks for watching our video. Make sure you try this at home. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and watch out for our next video.
Hey,